Metallized ceramics combine the inherent hardness and wear resistance of ceramic materials with the durability of a metallic coating. This results in a product that is highly resilient and suitable for harsh environments and demanding applications. Metallized ceramics offer a unique combination of strength and flexibility that makes them suitable for a wide range of applications, from industrial machinery to medical implants. These materials can be tailored to meet the specific needs of any project.